Hey everybody, Chris here. So we've got a huge rally setting up for Dogecoin, but there are some challenges along the way. I'm going to show you what those are in this video and where Dogecoin could go from here. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out as well as when I do live streams. And I'm live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 o'clock p.m. East Coast time. But I also throw in a few extra live streams here and there, and I'm feeling we're going to be doing more lives coming up because Uptober is back. That's right, Uptober is back, everybody. Pretty exciting, but again, there are some roadblocks ahead still. We're not quite in the clear, so let's get into it. Let me show you the news and the charts, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. And we start here with Dogecoin. Just over 11 cents. We had a big run up on Sunday night up to 11.5. So this is now the resistance line at 11.5 that we want to get over. Nice big run, but we came back and retested 11 cents early Monday and now moving up a little bit in Bitcoin as well. Again, nice little run on Sunday, but then came back and retested. What are these retests here? Why did ETH drop all the way down here? Those are the challenges we have ahead. Overall, look, October's back in the green for Bitcoin, kind of momentarily. We did have a little bit of retrace since then, but a green October is just a start. So Rectober, like we had last week, and everyone was freaking out. It's like, October's canceled and crypto's going. No, not so fast. We got a ways to go, but a little bit of green is nice there. And look, we just got the Bitcoin bull run is coming. Don't get shaken out. Looking back at the 4-year cycles again, we did have from a peak to a bottom. We had a mid-cycle and a bull run up to a peak. Again, bottom, mid-cycle. That mid-cycle was 2020 right there. Then a bull run up to a peak, and we had that double top. Remember that double top in 2021? Came back to a bottom in 2022. That was the bear market. We have a mid-cycle here right now in 2024. This is what's coming. Bull run incoming. Don't get shaken out, Mags reminds us. Don't get shaken out. Ali also is like, look, right now, here's what's happening. We've got leverage. We have leverage. That's right. This is what is keeping us from having fun, is this leverage. Huge leverage. And this is just on Bitcoin, the estimated leverage ratio. So we've been tracking this over the summer. What happened in the middle of August? The middle of August, we had huge liquidations as the price of Bitcoin did a nosedive. Along with a lot of other cryptos too. We had that huge nosedive, but look what happened. The degens and the leverage traders not only increased back up to the level where they were in June and July, but have increased even more, almost doubled since the big shakeout that happened in the middle of August. So this is what's keeping us from having fun. So what happened this morning? This morning we had huge long trades getting wiped out. Look at this one right here. $10.97 million on one ETH trade at 24.42. And like I showed on the ETH chart, guess where ETH dropped to? 24.42 right there. So this is the market makers, this the exchanges dropping the price down to wipe out those huge leverage trades before moving back up. So that choppiness is going to continue. But look, Gel says the previous bull market summer chop seasons both ended, Bitcoin making new highs in the second half of October. That's what we had. We had it back in 2020 and even last year. Same thing happened. The second half of October last year, we had this run. So is this what's setting up for this run as well? Look, we've got a few things happening. First, Dogecoin on the chart looking back into earlier this year. Kev Capital is like, the Dogecoin chart, if it holds up, it's an analyst's dream. beautiful macro falling wedge with a bullish back test in play. And I said, yes, back test on the Dogecoin chart. Done. Check. Let's go. I like that. I like that. And Ali's like, look, history often repeats itself. Dogecoin might be doing just that. A familiar pattern. Breakout from a multi-year descending triangle with a 200% surge and then a 60% retracement. Then a bull run. So after a recent 65% pullback, Doge could be gearing up for the next big rally. Again, just looking at history, how Doge has traded before. 2016 into 2017, we had that huge retest, down 60%, and then let's go. Again, 2020, same thing happened. Retest was 56% there, and then let's go. And we just had this big retrace back down, just about 65%. So let's go. Let's go. Trader Allen, Doge is holding up above the 200 simple moving average on a 3-day chart. It's copying the moves from 2017 to 2020. Since Dogecoin has completed the pre-rally stage with the pattern, the next move is most likely a pump. We could call it a rally. We had a pre-rally in 2020 right there. And then it was like, oh, what's going to happen? And let's go. So here we get this pre-rally. We ran up to 22 cents. I know that. That was great back in March. And then we had that pullback, that 65% pullback. And now, let's go. Dogecoin price surpasses 11 cents mark, recent recovery. So, too long, didn't read, TLDR. Dogecoin price recovering from a 10.2 cent low, trading up near 11.2 in a 100-hour simply moving average. Broke above the bearish trend line at 11 cents. Let's go. So, yes, we had that nice rally Sunday night. This pullback, again, this pullback early Monday morning, following Bitcoin, ETH, huge leveraged shakeouts. And that choppiness is going to continue with that huge leverage trading. That's the challenge we have going forward. But is Dogecoin ready for a rally? Dogecoin's price finds support around the descending trendline breakout level, eyeing a rally ahead. Doge's daily active address has spiked to the highest level since early April. That's right, when we were back up at 20 cents. So here we are retesting back down at 11 now with the RSI turning up, but at a lower price. So we're ready to take off. The potential for the rally is there. So overall, look, what's going to happen here? A lot of things happening in politics. We've got Elon and Trump, the Department of Government Efficiency. And what does Elon say? Naturally, our official mascot will be the Doge. The Doge. With the Department of Government Efficiency and the Doge there, where's Doge going to go from here? This is what we're building for. This is very exciting. Uptober, and then November, and then whatever we want to call December. Exciting time. This is the big rally we're waiting for. But it's not only happening with Doge. We'll have Bitcoin fine. A lot of talk about ETH and how ETH is showing some patterns that could show a potential boom in ETH. We'll be looking at that in our live stream Monday at 4 o'clock. We're also going to look at some other coins too, because there's a lot going on. I've been talking about Sui, and I know you guys may be tired, just talk about Doge, but I do have a pretty good size portfolio that includes some other cryptocurrencies. I've been talking about Sui becoming a top 10 crypto. It's now top 20 from when it was down in the 50s. Look, it's gone up 115%. Network activity increases. Again, TLDR for those of you who don't want to spend the time, but the Sui token surged 150% in 30 days, reaching $1.69, and now it's up near $1.90. I mean, last night it just went up another 7-8%. Meme coins in the Sui ecosystem drove the rally with triple-digit gains. Sui network saw increases in transaction volume, development activity, and the total value locked, or TVL. So it's getting close back up to its previous all-time high, and then it's going to be price discovery for Sui. It's very exciting. And then we still have Jasmy. Yes, haven't talked about Jasmy for a while, but we've got this beautiful big cup and handle forming on Jasmy. And if we can get Jasmy to come back up to over 3 cents and start getting up near 4, it will close out that beautiful cup and handle on the weekly chart, leading to a potential huge run in Jasmy. So again, we'll talk more about Jasmy, Sui, ETH, and others in live stream at 4 o'clock. So join in then. Meanwhile, is Doge going to be able to turn around? Are we going to have, once the market opens, I'm starting early on a Monday here, but are we looking at a potential follow-up hitting a new support? If 11 cents can maintain new support level for Doge, and then Doge can probably move back up 11.2, 11.3, come up in this range and start trading, setting again new highs and higher lows, will lead to, again, this sort of stepping stone up that Doge needs to then get ready for a potential huge breakout. Let me know in the comments below, do you think Doge is ready for this rally, or are there still some bears out there looking for big dips? Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.